Alright guys, first I'm going to walk on water without bottle, without shoes. You guys saw I couldn't walk on water, so we made a system for walking on water. You guys saw how big these shoes are. I mean, it's not looks like shoes.
Oh my god! Wow!
But this shoes has also name. I mean brand name. The brand is Lord of Experiment. I hope you guys like it.
Okay.
So what do you do with these big shoes?
I don't know. You don't know?
So we are going to walk on water. We are going to walk on water. Yes guys, we are going to walk on water. Can't believe it, right?
No!
So let's see. I don't know it will work or not. So let's walk on water. So before we start our video, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video. Please guys. So let's get started. So guys, who's gonna walk on water first?
Me. I will.
No. Guys, come here. No one gonna walk first. I'll go first. Happy?
NANI? お前はもう死んでいる。
So alright guys, I will not go into the deep water because I can't swim very well.
Okay.
Alright guys, it's hard to balance. So alright guys, I forget to tie the legs with ropes. That's why my legs are spreading two ways. So let's tie the rope. Alright guys, you guys can see we wind the rope with this and stick. So let's walk again. Alright guys, I think I'm overweight guys. Yes, I'm overweight. And it's not floating. Anyway, so now so whose weight less than me?
Me. No, me. Come on, me.
Madhur's will walk on water.
Yeah,
So let's see.
Yeah.
Alright guys, Madhur's will walk on water. Alright guys, he's trying to balance but he can't. He's floating. Not that way. He's sleeping on water. The title is sense guys.
Nice.
Alright guys, now Faisal will try. Let's see it will work or not. Actually we can balance it. Now Rishat will try.
This is it. The moment we are waiting for.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their
Alright guys, just look at him, how dirty he is. So now he's gonna try. So let's see.
Wrestling time.
Watch out!
So alright guys, Zihan ruined his shoes after he wore these shoes. So yeah, this is the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video. And my name is Mushfiqur Rahman and this is Lord of Experiment, and I'll catch you in the next video. So tata, bye bye.
Prank time.
I think the girls with their nails done now. Girls with their nails done. I think the girls with their nails done.